Thanks for looking at this video and visiting the page. I'm going to quickly explain about wikaniko's innovative new advertising system. What this enables you to do is, if you're posting content in forums, on social media, it's great to post content, relevant content, but at the end of the day, is it really going to help drive more people to your wikaniko page? Is it going to help you get more sales? What this GUI enables you to do, this software enables you to do, is place your own links, banners, sign-up forms, pretty much anything you want on top of other people's content. So I think probably the quickest way to explain this is by doing a quick demonstration. So I've just gone to the news, done a search on eco-friendly news and found a current news article, okay, which was this one here, Huffington Post. So all you do is copy the link, you place it in here, copy the link in there, you call your campaign, give it a name, give it a link name, and then we're just going to load this up. So we're going to load this content. Just while we're doing that, one thing you need to understand is that you can put your wikaniko page here, load it up, add whatever elements you want, and then you've got your own unique wikaniko page. So you could add your sign-up forms on there. If you're promoting a particular offer, you can put that on there. And rather than promoting your wikaniko link, you'll just promote the link that's generated from the software. So that's really important, and obviously you can go back whenever you want and change that, add new links, remove old ones, etc. So please remember, you could customize your own wikaniko page. Okay, the page is now loaded. You'll notice there's two tabs now, one at the top, one at the bottom. The one at the top is where you add the elements, as we call them. So there's lots of elements you can add. Now, to add an element, let's just add this notify box as an example. Now you get a preview of what it looks like. Okay, now you could change the picture just by uploading a new image. Change the text just by overwriting it. You would add your link, your clickable link there. There's various styling options, different animation options as well. You can run the effect to see what that looks like. Just run the effect. When it appears, that's what it appears like. For every element, there's a help video. Just click on the icon and you'll get the tutorial. So help's always at hand. And to actually turn it on, you just click the space, make sure it goes green, and you'll see now it's appeared down on the page. But you can move that, you just drag it and put it wherever you want. Now to turn it off, you can simply go like that if you decide you don't want it, or you can go back. Alternatively, you could have gone back and turned it off here. That will now have been turned off because you clicked it. So if you close it there, it turns it off. Okay. So we've got a polling box, which to be honest you probably don't need, you probably won't use. We've got animated characters, men and women. That's what it will appear like on the page. I'll just turn it on just to show you. So again, fits in nicely. Obviously you add your text and call to action. Got a product box. Just turn that on. Nice for the wikaniko products. You could change, obviously everything there can be changed. Let's turn these off. There's a multiple product box. There's a 3D notify box. Just turn that on, show you. It sort of moves around with the cursor. It's a different type of effect. Again, you can change the colours and the text with that. Just turn that one off. As soon as you turn it off, it disappears. That's the product card. So you get the idea, there's loads of options available here. Close that. That's what that would look like. Just turn that off. So think of this page really as your canvas. You're deciding what elements you want to appear when the link is generated after you've added your elements. So video box, sorry, share box, get people to share your content. That's what it would look like. Video box. So you can add a YouTube or Vimeo video. You don't need to own them. Just add in the code there. And you've got all these really nice different effects that you can use. Gets previewed there for you. You add a call to action, which will appear at the top of the video when someone plays it. So you put your text here. You put your link, button text there. I'll demonstrate what this looks like when we publish the content. So it's enabled, you enable it. Okay, let's turn that on. Straight away it's appeared. Let's place this up here in the corner. Let's put it over here. You can adjust the size of these as well. Okay, so that's going to stay. And we've got a delayed pop-up. We've got a countdown timer. That's very visible. I'll just turn that on and show you. It's down at the bottom. You can have a button there. Countdown timer. Urgency. Just close that. Just turn it off. An exit pop-up. Always a good idea to have an exit pop-up so when people go to leave the page you can show you pop-up. You can just add a straightforward image. So this is where you would add your HTML code. So you place it in there. So that'd be great for sign-up forms. That's what you'd use that for, or embedding a video if you didn't want to use this technique. And you can add retargeting pixel. If you know anything about retargeting, you'll understand the value of that because you can add people to your retargeting. So once you've done your changes, in this instance we're just going to play a video on top of the Huffington Post article. You save it. Then all you do is update it. Now if this is the first time it being created, we'd be publishing, but I sort of changed the video halfway through. Okay, so we'll update it. It's been going such a long time now, this might time out. Okay, and updated. My internet's going to grind to a halt, I can feel it. Okay, so now you can do a responsive test, just have a look, so it looks like. It's a nice feature. Okay, looks good on all these different devices, which is very important these days. Let's look at the link. So this is what you would post. You would copy the link and post this to the forum or social media, wherever you want to post it. So there's a slight delay, which we had. And it's moved over there perfectly. So watch what happens when they click play. It was a really nice pop-up window. Remember, that was the text I entered and the button text, and the video plays. Okay. So what's really good and will really save you a lot of time is the clone. So this will use the elements you've created previously. So you may well just create your elements once and just always use the clone, because all you do with the clone is call it whatever you want, call the link wherever you want, just wait for that to clone, comes back straight away. That's your clone. So if you find another article, rather than having to add the elements each time, by cloning it, it picks up the elements that we've already added. So let's just pretend we're going to do this on wikaniko.com. Just override wikaniko.com. Don't need to load it, you just update it. So now when you publish this link, you're overriding wikaniko.com, so you post that link. Obviously you probably wouldn't want to override wikaniko.com, but who knows, you might want to. But remember, you're never touching this website. Trevor, the website owner, would never see these links, this video appear. Only people that click on the link that you post will see that video. So you can clone a campaign literally in a few seconds. Now I'm almost finished, thanks for your attention. I just want to show you something else. I did try and record this, but recording another video, it just didn't work out well. But we've created multiple elements. Please have a look at these different elements. These elements will be available to you. We'll give you the code. You can create, basically just copy and paste it in, or Trevor's, for a very small fee, they will set this up for you. But some really nice animated effects there for promoting Wikaniko products and also the Wikaniko affiliate scheme. Okay, so remember, you can add these over your Wikaniko page as well. I hope you've been impressed. Have a look at the content on this page, and hopefully we'll see you on the other side.